Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use this template end-to-end, from setting up the credentials and explaining you what are the things, the tools that we are using here, Gemini, Gmail, and also Decodo. And for those of you who don't know what is Decodo, Decodo is basically an AI-ready proxy and scraping solutions. It is very easy to integrate it with n8n because they have a community node that we can install, and it is also very powerful. So by the end of this video, you will have a ready report about your crypto price. Either it's Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, whatever it is, you set it up. And if you are interested with Decodo, you can use my code Fahmi to get 80% discount. So let's get right to it. So first of all, what we want to do is, of course, you need to go to this link, or maybe you come from this link. Now we just need to use for free. In here, I would just copy template to clipboard, and I will open my n8n. Once we are inside of n8n, we just click create workflow and just paste the workflow that we just copy. And as you can see here, it is beautifully placed in our editor tab. And you can see we have some explanation here. If you want to sign up for Decodo, what is this template about, who's it for, how it works, and how to set it up. And as you can see here, to set it up, we have to set the Decodo, the Gmail, and Gemini credential. Also, we need to install the community node Decodo. It's required. So let's do that one by one. First, we need to set up the coins. So in here, what are the coins that you want? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, just put it there. And then the credentials of Decodo. Maybe when you import this template, there's going to be a chance that everything is going to be in red. Decodo, Gemini, maybe it's because you're still new to n8n and you don't have the credentials for them. And that is totally fine. All you need to do is just click on the node and then just click here for the credentials and just create new credentials. And I'm going to show you how to get the credentials, okay? So first, you need to make an account in Decodo. Let me log in. Let me sign in first. Okay, I am already inside of Decodo. I managed to log in. And in here, you would go to the web scraping API and then the scraper, and you would have this basic auth token. You can copy to clipboard and then just paste it here. Right there, and just click save. And there you go. You managed to log into your Decodo accounts. And then if you can see here, it is also using the n8n tables. And for this, these are the data table schema that you can make it inside your n8n. So you can see there's coin, TS price, change, all of this. You can make it like this one. So you see it has a few columns: ID coin, timestamp, price, change in 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, the market cap, the volumes, and this is just the default created ad and updated ad. So yeah, and after that, let's go back to the workflow. And now what we need to do is set up the Gemini API key. And for this one, we can create new credentials and we need to get the API key. And then what you need to do, you just need to go to Google and just Google it at Gemini API key and go to the Google AI Studio. And in here, as you can see on the top right, there is create API key. You can just click that. Name your API test Decodo, cloud project. I'm gonna just choose whatever exists on mine. And that is going to create a new key for us. And this is the key, as you can see. And we just need to copy it and bring it over to here. And hit save. And there you go. You managed to set up all the credentials you need here. Oh, one more thing. You also need to set a credential for Gmail. And for this one, there are a lot of other tutorials for that. Basically, you just need to create a Google Cloud project if you're self-hosted. But if you are in the cloud ones, you just need to sign in with Google. So it's that easy. And also one thing I forgot to mention is you also need to install the Decodo nodes because it's a community nodes. And you can install it by going in the settings, community nodes. And then in here, as you can see, I have the Decodo n8n nodes Decodo. You can just click install in here and just paste it here. And then you could just install it. And then after that, you can use it inside your workflow. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. And now let's test it out. So it will be every 30 minutes to scrape and lock the coins. and I'm going to scrape this one, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So let's test it out. Let's execute it. Okay, that is blazing fast. Now it's parsing the coin metrics. Okay, it is done, and now it is inserted to our data tables. And now the second part of the flow is to get the data from that tables and then send it to our email. And in here you can set your recipient email to what it is. I'm just going to set it to my personal email. Saves it, and then we just need to click execute workflow. So we have an error here because I forgot that we also need to set it here to my personal ones. Okay, click save. Let me just pin here so we don't waste time. Save, and then let's execute it again. Okay, now let's check our email. And as you can see here, we have the email. It's the forecast, the Bitcoin price, the forecast, and as you can see, it is sent automatically with n8n. So yeah, that sums up how to use this workflow. I hope you enjoy it. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.